Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your photo into pixel art using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Canva application, and first of all, we need to create a new design. We can click on this plus button to create new design, and here we can choose the ratio that we want to apply to our design. I'm going to choose this ratio, Instagram post ratio. And then we're going to open the Canva apps. Okay, just scroll all the way to the right until you find the apps menu. Okay, and we have to search for the pixel art. Okay, just type in pixel art like this, and there will be some types of pixel art you can use. Okay, and I'm just going to use this one, Pixel Art Studio. Okay, and click on open. And wait for a moment guys, and we have to choose our photo, and I'm going to pick random photo from my gallery. I'm just going to choose this photo for example. Okay, then we just need to wait for a moment. The Canva will create pixel art from our photo automatically. Okay, and now it's done guys, and I'm going to go back to my design and take a look at the result. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to turn our photo into pixel art. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.